The average robot to 10,000 workers globally is 141. So 141 robots per 10,000 workers on a global scale. Now the good thing is the US is above that average. We're about 244. The problem is there's 6 countries ahead of us. And then you look at the #1 country for robotics, and that's Korea, at 1,000 robots per 10,000 workers. That is unreal, and they're getting ahead of us, plain and simple.
In the last 5 years, you've seen this explosion, both in terms of just the robotic arm capabilities and cost, perception, as well as everything that's happening in AI and machine learning in other areas that can really apply to what's happening here. I mean, it's just driving down the cost and expanding the opportunities for what people are able to automate with.
Talking about a decrease by 15% of total production costs with some of these automation solutions, and a doubling of margins up to 20%. So, in terms of the capital that's available to fund the solutions, it's gaining momentum.
For people looking to start to automate, it's important to have an open mind for where can you automate pieces.
Start small. Don't scale it up yet. Just do a POC. See if it works. See how you might learn from that, and that way you can scale up.
The threshold has been crossed of the cost of manufacturing, and then shipping that is now equal to manufacturing it here. You can actually do it cheaper and faster, and get product to market
100%.
fast. The robot as a service model allows you to flex up and flex down as you need.
Some of these early players like Rapid, some of the tools they have to accelerate go-to-market are things like synthetic data for some of that machine vision, or 3D printing grippers.
With the advances of carbon infill and just these super sophisticated 3D printers, we can 3D print most of our production grippers directly from our library of parts, and it goes into production. I think it's going to just continue to really increase the flexibility of robotics, and which will in turn make it so that you can use it for more and more things.
My hope is that we also start breaking down some of these silos between manufacturing, logistics. We need to be more open of communicating what we're seeing across all the industries. So embrace your failures and show them off as much as you show off your successes.